Okay, this is your Pocono Weather 360 weather outlook video for today, the 22nd of February. We have rain moving across the state. Some people are experiencing some freezing rain and some snow. Um, Not much, it's not a lot. There's just some out there, but they're experiencing it. As it moves across, you can see it stays really close to the Mason-Dixon line in Pennsylvania and Maryland, and then it moves off the coast. And once that clears, you'd think it'd be gone, but it kind of hangs around. Um, you can see it's slow. It's kind of hanging around the coastal regions tomorrow before it finally pulls away Friday night into Saturday, and then that you're kind of left with a nice weekend. And then this takes you into next week. There's Tuesday. The next storm is forming. It's going up through the lakes. And this is on Wednesday morning early. And that one goes by. And then we have high pressure built in and cold air also building in with this thing. You'll see it. You'll see when I show you the map with the temperatures, how the cold air comes in. And then as it goes south and it reverses and it begins to warm things up again for the first week of March before we get into more colder air after, we'll say the 8th, ninth, and 10th in that region right around there. Okay, so this shows you the rain that's coming through. As you can see to the north, there's some snow and some freezing rain involved. And then as we get into Friday, you can see it kind of hangs around the coastal regions before it moves out. And then we go through Saturday through Sunday, pretty decent. No precipitation. Monday, no precipitation. Tuesday, no precipitation until we get to Tuesday night. And then we have some rain that moves across the region. And then we have more come through all the way in through Thursday morning. This is around 7 Thursday. And this is a very strong cold front. Could be some thunderstorms involved with this thing during the day on Thursday. And then right behind it, there's a shot of snow that comes through. We're not talking about a snowstorm, but a very strong cold front comes through and brings in some colder air as it goes on. I'm just going to show you. This is Thursday morning, the 29th. As you can see, temperatures have risen into the 60s in eastern PA and New Jersey. Here's your cold front back here. That rain I told you it's going to come across. The reason the rain, they're in front of the front, the winds blow from the south, so she brings in um, warmer air. Now, this takes you to around 11 o'clock in the morning on the 29th, and you can see the front moving across. You can see you're below freezing up here by Erie. You're in the 60s in South Jersey and down by Philadelphia here. And then the front comes through, and then overnight, let's see if I can do this correctly. This takes you to um, 8 o'clock in the evening on Thursday. 20s, low 20s in the west, still 40s to the southeast, and then it comes through, and we take this to around 2 in the morning, teens to 20s, and then even 30s still in South Jersey, and then we move this just ahead a little bit more to around 7 a.m. It actually look like it warms up out here a degree or two, but basically across the state of Pennsylvania, all 20s, and in Jersey, mostly below freezing or just below freezing for the most part. And this is kind of a short-lived, because overnight lows aren't that bad on Saturday night. And then as you get into Saturday during the day, you can see warmer air is trying to come back. It's 50s and even close to 60 in the southeast here on Saturday the 2nd. And with all this warm temperatures that we have, this is where we'll be during the March period. For the most part, it'll get chillier. We'll be at normal to below normal. And I still see snow in the offing, which I showed you, I think, in another video. But I'll show you again. Again, I don't think much. I don't think it's going to be these kind of numbers, but what I'm showing you here basically is that the Euro ensembles are showing snow all the way down here, and so it's seeing snow in the offing. Still think somewhere around St. Patrick's Day is where we all need to keep our eye out for. That's my gut feeling. All right, take it easy and be safe.